How to make an Instagram creator account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create a creator's account on Instagram. So let's get started. On Instagram, you create an account and it's a simple profile that you create. You have an account, you have followers, or you can even create a public account. But if you want to create a creator's account, there is a different account that we create, and it gives us access to more features and tools to help us meet our ultimate creator goals. How to create a creator's account on Instagram? For that, you will have to open up your profile. Once you are here, you have to click on these three lines at the top right corner. Click on settings and it will take you here. Scroll down all the way down to logins, and here you will find an option of add account. You have to click on this one. Then log in into existing account or create a new account. Click on settings and it will take you right here. Here you will find different settings and you have to click on account. In account, we have our personal information, saved, language, we have different settings. You have to scroll down to the blue settings that we're getting, switch to professional account, and then add a new professional account. So if you want to switch your existing account to a creator's account, to a professional account, then you will click on switch. If you want to create another account, then you will click on add new professional account. For now, I'm going to click on switch. Once you click on switch to professional account, then you just have to click on continue, continue, continue again. All right. What best describes you? So here, what you need to do is you just have to select what you actually do. In creator's account, you can go for digital creator or you can go with video creator, anything you want to go for, whatever niche you are in. I'm going to go with digital creator. Click on done. Switch to a professional account, click on OK, and your account will be switched to a creator's account on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.